Strap in, because today we're throwing Close CRM and Pipedrive into the ring to see which CRM reigns supreme for sales process management. First, let's examine their core philosophies. Close excels with its all-in-one communication, directly integrating calling, SMS, and email right into the platform. Pipedrive, on the other hand, champions visual sales pipeline management and activity-based selling, focusing on clearly defined stages and actions. Diving deeper, Close boasts powerful workflow features that automate repetitive tasks. Imagine automatically triggering email sequences based on lead actions, creating tasks when deals reach a certain stage, all of which saves your sales team valuable time. Now, look at Pipedrive's strength. Its reporting. The platform offers a highly visual dashboard, allowing you to easily track key sales performance indicators like conversion rates and deal values at each stage of your pipeline. Of course, pricing matters. Close tends to have fewer tiers but a higher per-user cost, while Pipedrive offers more plans at varying price points, potentially scaling better for larger teams. You'll need to carefully analyze your team size and required features to determine the most cost-effective option. Ultimately, the best CRM depends on your specific sales team's needs. If integrated communication and automation are paramount, Close could be your winner, but if visual pipeline management and activity tracking are key, Pipedrive might be the champion you're looking for. So, take the time to analyze both and choose the CRM that truly empowers your sales process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CRM comparisons.